Tonight we are going to heat treat a Hidden Tang hunting blade knife. So we've got the coals on the go already. It's time to chuck the blade in. Alright, we're just about up to heat. It's time to pull it out, check for magnetism, and then straight into the quench. Go. Yeah, there's no magnetism there. Check for straightness. There's no warp. Some really good martensite on the outside of the blade, so looks like it's good. Well, it has actually come out quite nice. It's a little bit black, but that's what you get when you're quenching oil. And just to show you that we did get a very, very good heat treat, it escapes the file beautifully. Which means that it's going to make a very, very tough blade.